Okay, we have a few more hours I can work, at least 2. So last night I did a little cleanup here, put a spot for 2 air chairs to hang up around the stove, and I moved this the stonework here over so I have a splitting area to go with the splitting axe. So the stove's working really well. Didn't get a chance to work on that, but that's going to be on the priority list for next trip. Did do quite a bit on the build up here, so it's looking much better. And I ran out of concrete, so I still have this one area to do, and then I can start with the granite pieces up through. So we still have the jack in place. That's one of the nice things about these jacks, the screw jacks, is you really don't have to remove them. They're not going to go down on you like the hydraulic. So that should be good. These posts all are looking great. All 6 of them here. Okay, so the next task I'm going to work on. Grab my mask. Is this porch area. Get my headlight, not a lot of light in here. This light's not hooked up yet, I'm quite sure. So this room, it was an open porch. They enclosed it. We straightened up the window last time, so that's good. So what we're doing is we're taking it back to the original siding. There's no reason not to have the original siding show, which will be on this wall. Should be over here, and we have our window in there, and this wall. So those 2 walls will be this original siding. We'll remove all this down to the outer siding, and then we're going to build this out with 2x4s. They had used 2x2s or 1.5x2s, probably 1.5 by 1.5. I think they ripped 2x4s. So we'll build this out the way we would like it. The ceiling looks like they also did the same thing. They brought it down. So I think the original ceiling, if I had my light on, you could see it right in there. So we'll expose all that. And then we'll, that's probably all we're going to be able to do, is just remove all the layers, because there was 2 layers on these walls. You have 1 layer, and then they did another layer. We'll salvage the material we can, and we'll get ready to dispose of the other. Okay, let's get ripping it out.